Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. Then wait for it to download. And now you don't have to open it, just click Home button and go into Device Settings. After that, select Apps and Notifications, choose Advanced, tap on Default Apps and pick one of those options. I want to change my browser apps, I have to click on Browser app over here and select one of the browsers. I want to set up Opera, so I have to tap on it and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!